Boon Care Health and Grooming Kit, Blue, White by Boon is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. 6-piece kit includes quick read thermometer, silicone toothbrush, nail clippers, nasal aspirator, medicine spoon and cradle cap brush. Includes zippered bag for storage. 3-in-1 thermometer for oral, underarm or rectal use. Nasal aspirator uses parent-controlled suction to relieve stuffy noses. Silicone toothbrush head removable head to be used as finger brush or gauze swab parent like a superhero. Okay, so technically you can't see the future. But if you could, you would see yourself using every single incredibly useful item in this kit. And you would win Parent of the Year for having them all on hand. Included are a quick read thermometer, silicone toothbrush, nail clippers, nasal aspirator, medicine spoon and cradle cap brush. Each is brilliantly designed for optimal function and tucks neatly into a sturdy, zippered pouch. Shazam! Batmobile remote control sold separately.